Yeah, simply because we had to do that because we knew we were having new spaces, but in reality, it's going to move the same thing. Walk even further out.
Is that completely custom software, or are you using like model test model?
No, it's not custom. The interface is custom program, but the thing works off of game engine.
Oh.
Oh, you just walked through the wall.
Which game engine is it?
What? Wait, let me get that.
Oh no, it's okay. It wasn't who I thought it was. Just there. Yeah, I need that. It's not that bad.
Okay, so it's real-time rendering as you walk through.
That's exactly right.
Oh wow,
Yes,
this is so cool.
It is a video game.
It's just to understand exactly where in space you are inside.
Right. Well, the model cameras know the distance, and then that has some sensors.
Oh my god, this is going to be so incredible. Yes, yes, yes. You are going to love, everyone's going to love this.
That's like candy for a client to see their...
Becky, can you turn around, just sort of walk in a circle and get a whole view of the room?
I did.
Yeah, but now I'm looking at the monitor, not you.
I wish. Oh, now the unit's lost her a little bit. See, take a few steps to the aft of the cabin. No, it's the front. She's walking like a crab, I think.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, at some point at the camera, you're walking kind of sideways. That's
Yeah.
It's because
That's
you're
okay.
drunk. You know, I don't recommend using this after having so many Cosmos.
Walk through the door.
It's doing funny things. You just turn around. No, oh, because you're here. That's why.
Oh, it's because of me? Oh.
Turn around. Look at me. Okay, stop and do the pose. Hold on. Okay.
Okay, there you go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now you're
Okay.
Now you're right.
Now we're back.
Yeah.
See, I don't want to walk into the table.
For some reason, the
This
camera.
is so cool.
She's wearing red, and I think there's something
Oh,
bad
is it
about
bouncing? Yeah.
The camera's just